We are traveling, so we could not give Naadi Yoga treatment for the last 1 week. So, all the improvements are still there? Yes, they are. This is a case of cerebral palsy. You must have often seen that. The child suddenly starts benefiting from some treatment. But as soon as the treatment is stopped, the child reaches back to old state. But this does not happen at all with Naadi Yoga. Let us see the meeting of the parents of one such CP patient with Dr. Nishi. Only after 15 days of Naadi Yoga treatment, there were many improvements in the child. Hi, this is Dr. Nishi from Naadi Yoga. And yet again, we have a beautiful child. She is called Krishida. Krishida is a patient. The lining of her brain is getting thinner. But at the same time, she is dystonic and also has fits. You started treatment with us about 15 days ago, right? And after 15 days, you have come here to meet me. What improvements did you see in Krishida within these 15 days of treatment? Earlier, she was not active at all. But now she has become more active and she has started rolling more like. If we make her sleep on the bed or on the floor, then she rolls and goes from here to there. If we put her back to sleep, then again she goes there. So she has started rolling more now. And second, she has become very active now. And giving responses too, right? Yes, she is giving better responses than before. And her involuntary movements have also reduced, right? Yes, it has reduced. The problem with the brain needs to be understood. Because there are many children who are called CP cases. But this is a CP case as well as dystonic case. And the lining of the brain is thinning. It's all called cortical thinning. So in such a situation, the sensory issues of children become very high. And there are involuntary movements which we call dystonic behavior. Cognitively, this is also associated with dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson. Also, the response of the eyes and ears is very limited. But as we go on doing Naadi Yoga, the changes you have seen within 15 days, I would say 3 to 4 changes that you have seen are quite consistent. You stopped the treatment in between? Yes, haven't done it since 1 week because we are traveling. Okay, so all the improvements that had come in her are still there? Yes, they are. All the improvements are still there? Yes, they are. So, this is what is important when we do Naadi Yoga. And even if you stop the treatment in between for a few days, the improvements that have come in the child remain in the child. So that is very important. We will follow Krishida's case further. It has been only 15 days now. Okay, thank you. The result of Naadi Yoga is in front of you. After taking treatment from Dr. Nishi in just 15 days, there were many improvements in this girl child. And despite the gap in giving Naadi Yoga due to traveling, these improvements are visible consistently. Cognitively, cortical thinning is also associated with dementia and Alzheimer's in adults. Giving Dr. Nishi's therapies to dementia and Alzheimer's patients has also seen drastic improvements in them. This is not a miracle, but the result of Dr. Nishi's 15 years of research in brain and psychoneurological development. These therapies have been adapted from well-studied and highly researched systems on children. In this case, this girl child has been treated by Dr. Nishi Bhatt. Dr. Nishi Bhatt is the founder of Naadi Yoga and psychoneurological and pain management specialist. Dr. Nishi Bhatt has expertise in the cases of special need kids. She does not use any single therapy, but uses different therapies like Alexander techniques, Bourne techniques, craniosacral therapy, Feldenkrais therapy, Rolfing therapy, among many others for the treatment according to the each case, due to which these children start getting very good result in a very short time, which does not come even after years of doing other treatments. Now, along with India, patients from UK, USA and Canada can also take treatment from Dr. Nishi Bhatt in their own country. Dr. Nishi will be visiting India in September. Take this opportunity to change your child's lives like this child's parents did, and many others are seeing the advantage. Naadi Yoga, opposite Pacific Gulf State, Sahasradhara Road, Kulhan, Dehradun. Visit our site www.naadiyoga.com and mail your inquiries at naadiyoga@gmail.com or call on landline 135 262 9944, mobile 72520 52999.